Hi guys, so this is the Oath of the Gatewatch Fat Pack unboxing, so let's see what we've got. So, first of all, we've got the poster. Let's see if we can do this right on the first time. There it goes. Here it is. So, Nisa. Here's the poster. Then we have the rulebook. Well, it's not actually a rulebook, it's a player's guide. Some info on the whole stuff, the story, a look on the cards, and same old. Player's guide. And here's the fat pack. So, here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs and the dice. Spin down counter, as they call it. Here it is. With the Oath of the Gatewatch sign. So 5 packs. Here are the other 4 packs. So you got our 9 packs. And the most important thing, what we're all waiting for, the lands. So these are actually full art lands. Here they are. So you can see. These are all Battle for Zendikar for full art lands, as you can see. With the new card, new land, basic land type, the Wastes. After that, we've got 2 deck boxes, one's with Nisa, once again, and one